Hey guys, what's up? You have Unsafe Play here, and I am in the underground gem mine here below Shilo Village. Really nifty place to come mining. Not too bad with the XP rates, not very bad with the GP an hour either. Pretty easy, not too very click intensive. To get here, you're going to want to do the underground or do the Karam Jahar diary to unlock it. This is the fastest way to obtain your rock golem. Superior gloves and Varric armor, don't bring them, they don't work here. Your average mining XP will be right around 50k XP an hour at level 70 mining, and you'll make between 400 and 450k and GP an hour. Your rock golem is a 1 in 211,886 chance to receive. About 210 hours in here, which isn't too very bad. Not very difficult. Your gems, your opal 1 and 2, to your ruby 1 in 25, up to a diamond 1 in 32. Nope, you cannot get dragon stones here. Sorry guys. And as I was saying, you're gonna average right around 50k XP an hour here. Not too terrible. The motherlode mine is between 20 and 35k XP an hour, so you will get more XP an hour here, no doubt. You may even make more coins an hour here. You never know. Yeah, the requirements to get here kind of steep, but worth it in the end. I come here to mine. I'm wearing an amulet of glory to better my gem chances. I'm not sure if that improves my chances on my sapphires, my emeralds, rubies, and diamonds, but that's okay. It betters the chances. I am wearing my full prospector. I have a rune pickaxe. I haven't seen a whole lot of difference between the rune pickaxe and the dragon pickaxe, to be honest with you. So, you know, when it comes to pickaxe here, can't really say is that it matters much. I am also using my celestial ring, as it does give a little bit of a mining boost. To get here your first time, you're going to need your Karam Jahar Gloves 3, which will teleport you right into this mine. After you teleport in here your first time, you'll have a ladder. The ladder is there with the gloves on, with the gloves off. Ladder's still there. Within the gem mine, you even have a bank deposit box, so you don't have to run too far to bank your gems. Unlike the surface mine with your 7 gem rocks, it's a little bit far to a bank up there, you know, and it can get kind of crowded, as you know, most people have done the Shilo quest. However, not everyone has done the Karam Jahar diaries. So you'll run into less people here. I was here for about an hour. In the hour that I was here, I was able to mine 349 opal, 183 jade, 41 topaz, 47 sapphires, 27 emeralds, 22 rubies, and 28 diamonds, giving me a profit of about 420k at current gem prices. Still not very bad for training some mining. And if you are looking to get your rock golem, this is the best place to get it at. With that being said, I'm going to hang out here for a little while longer and mine. When I came, I was at 94 mining. I'm now at 95. And I will see if, I happen to get the rock golem or not. Wish me luck. And if not, I'm going to get a ton of gems. The gems are very useful. The red topaz you can use for the bracelet of slaughter, so you can increase your slayer XP. You can make a burning amulet from the red topaz, which will teleport you easily to the KBD and other wilderness locations. You can make the, let's see here, the dodgy necklace for any of you who are pickpocketing the master farmers. You will fail less. So the gems do have, a little bit of an advantage here. Not a whole lot. A lot of Iron Men may find this a particularly good place to come mine. It's not as crowded as the Motherlode mine is, perhaps because of the higher requirements, but still, not too bad. I am going to hang out here for a little bit. I will talk to you all later. Bye.